Hi, I'm Trisha at Club Scrap, and you're looking at our gorgeous Luminary Scrapbook Page Kit. Now, before I go over the contents of the box, let's take a look at what will happen if you follow our video workshop and make those pages right along with us. So each kit makes a total of 8 12 by 12 scrapbook pages, and during that process, we carefully trim all the papers at very specific measurements, and I walk you through all of that with the video workshop. It takes about 35 minutes, and of course, you can work at your very own pace and press pause as much as you need. And then together we will literally make these layouts exactly as you see them, using the entire contents of the box without anything left to store and organize at the end. The centerpiece of all of our collections is our stunning paper. Everyone loves Club Scrap paper. You'll receive 2 of these round medallion prints and 2 of these square medallion prints, and you can also purchase prints separately as well while supplies last. Finally, the plain sheets in the box feature this beautiful golden green. We've got a dark purple, a light purple, and a cream speckle with a lot of neat recycled fibers in there. To help finish your pages much easier, we're including 2 printed sheets of 12 by 12 cut aparts. Once you trim out the individual elements, you'll add them to your pages and they'll be done lickety split. In addition to those 12 by 12 papers, we also include a dozen photo mats already trimmed to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 to quickly and easily accommodate your 4 by 6 photos. And we always select 3 coordinating ribbons as well. This time we have a gorgeous 3/8 inch ivory taffeta, this stunning gold infused purple metallic, and a lovely gold organza. To decorate further, we also have this beautiful gold doily, 3 sunburst gems in a beautiful iridescent purple, and a set of 3 gold medallion charms with the double loop on each end. And we're also including this 6 by 6 masking stencil that you can use again and again to adorn your pages. If you're concerned about making use of all the items in the box, don't worry. You can download and print your detailed instructions, and then of course follow along with me on that assembly video, and I will walk you through every step of the way. But wait, there's more. If you join Club Scrap as a member, you will also receive a bonus page formula every month that is designed to help you use any sheets of paper from your stash if you happen to have a stash of paper at home. We are here to help. So join us today and receive your Luminary Page Kit, and then join me for the workshop. I look forward to seeing you there.